Good morning, Print Fam. It is bright and early on Tuesday, and I don't know if it displays well on the camera, but you can definitely tell that it's darker. And I feel like it's way darker than what it was 2 weeks ago when I had made it to BNI before. So you can definitely tell that the seasons are changing. So I'm off to BNI. I'll check in afterwards. All right, fam, had a good BNI meeting. Had a bunch of people shout me out and appreciate the work that I've done for them. I also picked up some hardware for my day job. Stopped by Kelly Paper to get some 100-pound glossy book paper for an order I got yesterday. So that should be good. Now I'm headed to the day job and we'll check back in later. So today I got my new yellow cartridge. My printer is just over a year old, and this is the first cartridge I'm having to replace. If you want to see someone that has probably replaced their cartridges a dozen times by now, go watch Derek's channel with Alvalu Design. I'll leave a link down in the description to his channel. So as soon as I actually replace it, because I think I still have 70 milliliters left, then I'll show you the process of doing that. And I also got some additional blades that go to the Suma cutter. So the ink cartridge for just a single 775 millimeter cassette, it was about $130, and then these blades for the cutter are about $25–30 a piece. So it is a lot of money, and it really sucks, but it makes me a lot of money, and so it's good to have. So I need to get a few things done tonight. I've got to send a shirt and hoodie order off to the screen printer that does my outsourced screen printing. I need to at least do a test run of my the flyers, the paper that I picked up today, and my neighbor needs some business cards, so I'll probably print those off as well, since I'll already have the printer up and running. So I'm gonna get the artwork laid out, the POs made up, and emails sent off, and I'll check back with you in a bit. All right, Print Fam, it's 1 o'clock. This day has been way longer than I expected. The PDF that they sent me was layered all sorts of weird, causing printing issues and layering issues. So I've had to go and fix that. So hopefully I have it fixed now. It looks like I do. Unfortunately, with the Graywell, if I duplex print, then it causes weird striping and whatnot. But if I print single-sided, manually flip the paper, it seems to be okay. So hopefully I can get this job printed and done with, because I stayed up, I might as well finish it. So I'll keep you posted. All right, guys, I better call it a night. I attempted to print these. It was a 400-piece order. I ended up printing 200 of them. And when I went to do the test print of the next set, I realized it still had the little banding stripes on it. So the first batch of 200 is no good. So I'm not gonna print the second set because I don't wanna waste more money on paper. I've wasted about 10 bucks in media. So they're planning on coming on Thursday to replace a bunch of parts. If it works, great, we're gonna continue. If they come Thursday and it's unsuccessful, I'm walking away from the printer. It's something that I discussed with them. They're happy to take it back. They understand the issue and the concerns, and I'll end up getting a different printer. I'm hopeful that replacing the parts is gonna fix the issue, because I just need a printer. I've paid for the cutter twice now, and I'm not able to use the printer. So hopefully we can get it resolved. I'll know more, excuse me, like I said, on Thursday, which is only another day from now. So tomorrow is Wednesday, and then they'll be here Thursday. So hopefully they can get it resolved and we can just move on. But did I meet my goal? I did not. I only met it halfway. But there's progress made, so good things there. Thanks as always for watching. Oh, I'm sorry. It's 2 o'clock. You can buy 2 o'clock club stickers down in the description. Thanks as always for watching. Thanks Cam for editing the videos. If you want to support Cam, and please do, you can buy merch from his store, which is also linked in the description. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you are not already. Have a good one. See you tomorrow. Hopefully we have better news.